little Gicians, welcome back to the geography class. In this video we will study our last topic of a chapter, our environment. We will study how the human and his activities has evolved over the time and how his activities and his interaction with the environment has put a greater threat to our motherland. Let us discuss about the evolution of human environment. In the prehistoric times, human beings learned to adapt to their natural environment. They lived simple life and obtained food by gathering nuts, plants and berries. Early human beings lived like animals. They roamed from one place to another on foot. They live in caves and rock shelter. They ate fruits that grew in the forest. They hunted animals and ate their meat raw as they did not know how to cook. They lived like nomads, moved from one place to another in search of food, water, and shelter. Their bodies with leaves of trees and skin of animals. By the time with the new techniques and technologies developed, they began to grow crops. They started living in communities, domesticating animals to help them in their farming activities. There was a greater evolution, that was the invention of wheel, that led to the evolution of the transport. The settlement came into existence, human beings began to trade their articles among themselves. This has evolved the barter system. For example, if the person is in the need of a cow, could exchange his bag of wheat for the cow. This is called the barter system. Slowly the trade using money started replacing the barter system. Then came the Industrial Revolution, as goods needed to be produced on large scale to meet the growing needs of humans. The invention of faster mode of transport led to the further development of trade. These days, human beings are witnessing the information revolution, which has brought it with the telecommunication and internet. This made communication even faster and smoother than before. Thus, over the time, human-made environment elements have improved our lives to the greater extent. Provide all the human beings a very comfortable life. Let's study about human and the environment interaction. Human beings are the only species of organisms that can interfere with the nature. The greed and the ignorance of humans disturb the balance in the nature. Thousands of plants and animals have been brought to the verge of extinction. Several trees have been cut down for various needs of humans, such as fuel or building homes, etc. Deforestation leads to the destruction of habitat by erosion of topsoil, flooding. Decrease in rainfall and increase in the carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere. Human and the environment is polluting our motherland. Of fuels, emission of gases from the industries such as sulfur dioxide and oxides of nitrogen causes the air pollution. These gases react with water vapor and become a part of the cloud. These chemicals come back to the earth as an acid rain. The emission of gases like chlorofluorocarbons causes depletion of ozone layer. Water also gets polluted by sewage disposal, use of fertilizers, etc. The germs in drinking water causes diseases like cholera, typhoid, and diarrhea, etc. Sometimes oil is spilled into the sea from a tanker, causing pollution. It is very important to save our motherland, and we will study how the environment can be protected. Return to the nature and feel the thrills of it. We should plant, and it's a responsibility to save the environment. We should plant more and more trees in our localities. Keep the environment clean so it will stay green. Reduce waste and recycle them instead. Put them with plants and they will be fed. Have green trees, have the pulse of the earth. It is very important to keep our environment clean. We should balance our activities with the environment. We should save the environment for a future generation. Thank you so much.